Today we're going to take a look at NextSoundZ digital audio workstation for Android. Man, it's a great day to have an Android device, I tell you. We're going to go over the drum section, and later on I'm going to show you something really special, what's going to separate us apart from the rest. All right, let's jump into it. So you have 10 beautiful pads right here, and we all know what this is. Once you log on to here, this is the first thing you're going to see, and it's already going to have a kit loaded up for you. So the kit that's loaded up is probably a trap. There we go, 2 a.m. trap kit. So as you know, we specialize in trap, hip hop, and R&B. You know, don't want to spread ourselves too thin. We want to make sure that we're giving y'all the best quality of sounds, the best quality of everything that's within that realm and that ballpark of those three genres. So first thing I want to show you guys is the workflow, because it's all about workflow. I mean, I'm an artist myself and a producer. Well, I used to be an artist, you know what I'm saying? I can't call myself an artist now. But anyways, so we can easily load something into this, you know what I'm saying? We can just press the E button. You know what the E button does? It's your effects button. In your effects button, you have a lot of these options. You have high pass, low pass, pitch, reverb. So you just scroll all the way to the top, click sounds. Sounds is where you're going to find where you can load these sounds in. So as you see, we're on the kick section. And these are the kicks that I have loaded up on my phone right now. Click over to subs, claps, perks, hats. You know, as you see, I don't have too many things loaded up right now. So let's go ahead and import some sounds. Search my phone. Mines are in the music, test samples, choose, and there you go. We have all of these sounds, which is not a lot. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and preview those and then choose what sounds you want, press load, and there you go. So we were on pad 1. So let's say I want to put the snare there. There you go, pad 1, snare. It's that easy. It's all about workflow. I want you guys to have a easy, fast workflow for you to keep your inspiration going, keep your ideas going. Let's move it along now. I want to talk about the drum kits. So we have a lot of producers out there that are that's part of, you know, our community that actually help construct these drum kits for the genre that we cover. So the library is being updated every day. There's plenty of drum kits where you can go in there and keep your creative juices flowing to get new ideas. And you can select some of these drum kits and just make them your own, create your own user kit. So a lot of people want to know about user kits. So user kits is just as easy as this. You select, so actually, here it is. Let's go ahead and just discard that, because we actually created a user kit already because we changed the sound of one of the factory kits. So that's how you create a user kit. Just change the sound of one of the factory kits, and then when you go to change, the drum kit, it'll ask you. So say for instance, this kick right here, I'm gonna go into the E. I'm gonna go ahead and change this over. So now when I open this back up, as you can see, that one on top of the user, that means I have a drum kit in process. That means it's there. So I go to change, it's going to ask you save drum kit. Then all you got to do, put in the name, my drum kit, move along, and then press save. And that's it. So you can build you a collection of drum kits that you can always keep coming back, and you know, easy to find. So another thing I want to mention too before I move on, these drum kits come with handcrafted sequences. So you download whatever drum kit you download, you're going to get handcrafted sequences with it. So let me press trap, the 2 a.m. kit. You see this sequence button? All you got to do is press that. Press it again. Press it again, and you got, it depends on how many handcrafted sequences that the drum kit comes with. So that was 3. I just went through that quick. So let's go ahead and move on to the next thing. So now this is the ultimate part that I wanted to talk to you guys about, that I think is pretty, in my opinion, I think is pretty swift. I think it's a great idea. And who knows, they, you know, other DAWs might try to follow this trend, but we'll see. So the note repeat section, everybody knows about note repeat, right? You go to note repeat, 1/16. Let's go. You know, we know about note repeat. So what makes ours a little different and special, in my opinion, is we have the one that's called Super with the happy face. What does this do? So when you want to create your pitched up rolls, hat rolls, 808 rolls, snare rolls, pitched up, pitched down, to add that little extra complexity into the beat, all you got to do is just generate one. So I'm going to click on hat because we're on the pad that has a hat, and just press a button. That right there is a game changer because look, we can click 808, go to the 808 pad with the 808 on it, and come on now, generate a new roll, generate new, just change up the pitch variation. That's a game changer right there, y'all. So, moving along here, the next thing I want to cover, I also want to mention that we can edit the sound. So we have the sound here. You can edit the start and end points. You can reverse it, edit the start and end points. You can also put a high pass, low pass filter on it. So let's go ahead and cut up the low pass filter. Man, that's sweet. It's so easy. There's plenty of things that you can do in here, and you can keep your creativity flowing. So that's all I want to cover for this video. Next video, we're going to talk about the sampler, the creative sampler, and we out.